In this video, I'm going to show you 4 options for finding the midpoint. In the first option, you're going to enter the ordered pairs into lines 1 and 2, and you're going to label them as A and B. And you can see that those 2 points appear on the graph. Since the midpoint formula is really the average of the x values and the average of the y values, we can use this built-in function called mean. Notice that when I type letters, they're italicized, but when I type a function, it becomes a regular font. So I'm finding the mean, and now I have to tell Desmos what I want to find the mean of. I want to find the mean of points A and B, and I just list them with a comma separating them. There's a label option, and when I check it, I can see that the midpoint has the ordered pair 3, 5. So this is option 1. I'm going to remove these. Let's look at option 2. It's slightly different than option 1, whereas I haven't labeled the 2 endpoints. I'm just typing mean first, and inside that, I'm going to enter my 2 ordered pairs directly, separated by a comma. And I close my ordered pair, and I check that label button, and here is the midpoint. So that was option 2. Option 3 is to use the midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula is an ordered pair, so parentheses, and then it has 2 fractions. So I'm going to type fraction, comma, fraction, and I'm going to enter those parts. So x, 1, and I don't have to do anything special. I just type a 1 right after the x, and it will give me that subscript, x2, and then I'm dividing by 2. So that's adding the 2 x values. I'm going to do the same thing over here, adding the 2 y values, and again, dividing by 2. Now, when you do this, you see this option to add all of these sliders. You can add them one by one, or you can just click all, and you'll see that the sliders appear. All right, so I'm going to think about my 2 ordered pairs. I'm going to list them again real quick for you down here. You don't have to type this part. All right, there they are. So my first x value is 9, so I'm going to type that right here, 9. My second x value is -3. My first y value is 2. And my second y value is 8. So now I've entered my 4 coordinate parts. And if I go over here, you see my graph. If I check that label button, then I'll see the midpoint is the ordered pair 3, 5 again. All right, so that was option number 3 for finding the midpoint.